Good morning everyone. Today we're going to be calculating the area of compound shapes. And remember, when looking at perimeter, we talked about compound shapes being made up of two or more shapes, sort of put together. An area we talked about yesterday is the space inside a 2D shape. So to be successful, you're going to be using your previous knowledge of the 2D shapes and their properties, again your knowledge of multiplication, and you're going to apply that knowledge to solve problems, and some problems that also require you to think slightly differently. So, finding the area of compound shapes. Here is my compound shape. First thing I'm going to notice is that my compound shape is a funny shape, isn't it? And now to find the area of that, I'm going to need to break it up into much more easy, manageable chunks. So if I was to find the area of this orange rectangle first, then afterwards I just need to find the area of the blue rectangle afterwards. If I added those two rectangles together, then I would get the complete area of the compound shape. So let's go with orange first. So area, I remember, was height times the base. So the height of my orange rectangle is there, so it must be 2 centimeters. The base is here, so 7 centimeters. So 2 times 7 is 14, and I need to remember my centimeters squared. Now let's find the area of the blue one. So the height again is 2 centimeters. The base this time is 5, remembering that it doesn't always have to be on the bottom because the bottom side is the same as the top side. So 2 times 5, easy, 10 centimeters. So to get the overall area of my compound shape, I'm then going to do 14, add 10, add the 2, add the orange, add the to the blue, and that's going to get me 24 centimeters squared. Okay, nice and simple. Let's have a look at this now when we don't know all of the sides. So the first thing I need to do is to find all of the sides. So I'm looking for this, no, not doing that. I'm looking for this side here, and I'm looking for that side there. So let's have a look at the side going down first. Now I know that on the right hand side from there to there is 8 centimeters. So I know that from there to there is 5, and I'm calculating the bit that's left. So in order to find my missing length going down the side, I'm going to take the whole part, the whole height, and I'm going to subtract the bit I know. That's going to give me the bit I need. So 8 subtract 5 must equal 3 centimeters. I'm going to use that same thinking to now calculate the this small one going across here. So the whole base is 5. I know 4 of it at the top, so I know there to there, and I want to know the bit that's left there to there. So 5 subtract the bit I know is going to give me 1 centimeter left in there. So now I have all of the sides. Let's break up my compound shape. You see this time I don't have any dotted lines to show me possible ways of breaking it up. I'm going to have to figure that out for myself. So I've got an easy rectangle there, and that leaves me with an easy rectangle there. So let's go with orange one first. Height of my orange one is 3, as I've just found that out from my missing length. The base is 5, so I've got 3 times 5, 15, and again I'm working in centimeters squared. The height of my blue one here is this side, 5, because it would only be down to there, so it's not going to be the whole 8, so it's going to be 5. The base again is 4, because the top is the same as the bottom. 5 times 4 is 20 centimeters. To get the area of the whole thing now, I'm going to do 15, add 20, the blue rectangle, add the orange rectangle, going to give me area equals 35 centimetres squared. Your task then is to now calculate the area of these compound shapes. Once you've done that, there is a mastery task at the bottom. This is the part where you need to think backwards slightly and see if you can apply that knowledge to solve that problem. Answers as normal are